Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for video and photo editing. Canva is an incredibly versatile platform, perfect for bringing your creative visions to life. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, you'll find its interface user-friendly and efficient. We'll explore how to navigate the workspace, utilize its vast resources, and begin crafting stunning visuals and dynamic videos with ease. Get ready to unlock your creative potential. Let's dive into photo editing. Canva provides powerful tools to transform your images. You can apply one of over 100 filters, adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation, or precisely crop your photos. A standout feature is the one-click background remover, saving you valuable time. Plus, you can easily overlay text, stickers, and various graphic elements to make your pictures truly unique and professional-looking. Now, let's explore Canva's robust video editing capabilities. You can effortlessly trim, cut, and split your video clips to achieve perfect timing and flow. Elevate your projects by adding smooth transitions between scenes, incorporating background music from a library of thousands of tracks, and enhancing audio with sound effects. Animating text and graphic elements will also help you create captivating and professional-looking video content. Once your masterpiece is complete, sharing it is simple. Canva allows you to download your projects in multiple high-quality formats, such as MP4 for videos or PNG for images. You can also share directly to popular social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook with just a few clicks. For team projects, real-time collaboration features enable seamless teamwork, making it easy to create and share together.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.